This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about the metal cupcake liners versus paper. And now these paper ones are great. They're cheap, they're cost effective. You can buy large packs for a little bit of money. They're thin little liners and always have to be used with a cupcake tray, so they're gonna go down in the holes of that pan. And they give you a nice bake on the product, and they're pretty solid and they're cost effective and convenient. These metal ones offer you a little bit different variety in that you can get them in various colors. Ooh, they are just a little harder to get apart sometimes. And in some cases, you can actually just put these out on trays, scoop and bake directly in them without using the actual cupcake pans. It depends a bit on the brand and how thick that metallic lining on the outside is, but you can see they actually come with a paper liner nested down in it, right? So they're essentially small little disposable metal pans. You can, I find it's actually easier to use them directly in the cupcake pans. It keeps things from sliding and shifting around on my trays. I've tried it both ways and I think it's just a little more efficient. And things in general, because it's got this extra little foil on the outside, will bake up just a little bit quicker. So if you're using paper and you switch to metal for a project because of the look, always make sure you're keeping an eye on things because you might need to adjust your bake times or temperatures when using the metal ones. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.